Alright, welcome to my first YouTube video. This is basically I'm going to show you the server configuration here. Basically, I'm going to try to do this. Okay. From top to bottom, this first server here, this is a quad core. It's got about 12 gigs of RAM in it. Basically, this machine here is for doing, it runs full backups on all of our servers, not only on the hard drive, but it also backs up. It's a 1U unit, backs up offsite as well. Dual NICs, 12 gig of RAM. I think storage on it is 10 terabytes. Sorry. Here we have an HP storage works. This is used for doing backups, nightly backups actually, using backup exec. Tapes are 400 gigabytes. Next we go to this server here. I don't know if that's in focus or not. Basically this server is an HP Proliant DLG 380G5. Storage on them. This has got 6 72 gigabyte 10K RAID drives. This server here actually is used for a terminal server. These are very nice servers, very configurable. As you can see, I'll try to pull one of these out. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. Alright, so we'll pull this unit out. Basically what one of these bad boys looks like inside. Dual processor. As far as RAM on this particular machine, it's only got 4 gigabytes, so 2 gigabyte SIMs. These machines are really nice. They've got redundant power supplies. The cooling is very good on these. This machine is extremely dirty inside. So we'll slide this bad boy in. The next server is identical, except this one has this is a server right below this one. It's identical in every aspect, except this server is actually an SQL server. It's running MS SQL 95. Everything is the exact same, it just has more memory in it. Down below we have a Dell PowerEdge. This is a 2950. Focus isn't very good on this camera. And here we can see this has got 4 SATA drives set up in a RAID 5 array. They're 160 gigabyte. They're only 7.2K. Pretty nice machine. We use that for a web server. So that's the front of the rack there. We're actually adding another GL380G5, which is going to be assuming the role of the SQL box, which is down below. It's going to be a dedicated SQL box, more RAM, faster processors, and it's actually going to have 15K drives. Next we'll go to battery backup. These are APC Smart UPS 2200s. These are running the servers. There's 2 of them. as you can see. Very good units, good life on them. Next we have two smaller APCs. There's their 1500s. These units are pretty good as well. They're basically running the monitor, and that is basically it, and the KVM. That's all these two units do. And we have another Smart UPS 2200. This is a rack mount unit. It's identical to these units here, except they're not in a tower configuration. I'm too lazy to mount it in a rack as it's really heavy. This is the terminal server. I don't know how good this is going to come out. And this is active users on the current machine. This is through Terminal Services Manager. At any given time we have about 40 to 50 users on this particular server. Cabling on this setup isn't the greatest, but the new location it will be done a lot more professionally. And as far as cooling, this is our cooling system, which is basically just for airflow. And I've implemented on the front of this, you're probably wondering why there's a furnace filter. This is an extremely dirty building, so basically I've mounted a furnace filter in hopes of cleaning some of the dust out of the air that's sucked in through the front of this cage here. Anyway, that is the setup here, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Have a great day.